Whereas the country has witnessed rapid investment in construction, it has also witnessed incidents of collapsing buildings, especially in Kampala city. To justify the need for strong monitoring, the Minister for Works and Transport, General Edward Katumba Wamala, revealed shocking findings from areas normally affected by earthquakes. A bigger percentage of the buildings in Hoima were found to be unable to resist quakes.
If the earthquake was to strike in Hoima, 73% of the buildings, because of lack of ring beam, they would just come down as a pack of cards.
The minister also doubted whether the existing developments in Namamve Industrial Park would stand the test.
In terms of even safety and all other aspects. So I think the National Building Review Board, you may have to give them a visit also to see whether that industrial park really qualifies in all aspects.
In many cases, buildings have collapsed because developers do not fulfill the building requirements. In addition, monitoring all building developments has been lacking.
The architects sit in one corner, the engineers in another corner, and the surveyors in another corner. But then we all meet on site at point T. Then the mother of all problems was the delays in approval processes, and this actually contributed to the greatest number of illegal developments.
In order to tighten approval of plans and inspection of all building developments, the National Building Review Board has launched the Building Industry Management System to digitize the building sector.
Just go in the system, fill in your details, and the system helps you to maneuver. So it's going to take away the bureaucracy and also the areas of waste in terms of people spending money just to get their plans approved.
In most of the accidents we've had, we are unable to tell who the developer is at point T. They all disappear, all the hard copy documents go away, so we have nobody to hold accountable. So in the system, we shall be able to identify you using either your NIN, if you are an individual. If you're a company, URSB will identify you.
It will also empower authorities to take serious action against a category of building developers who ignore rules, guidelines, and regulations.
So the board sitting in Kampala will be able to see that building X missed out stage 1, stage 2 of the submissions.
The National Building Review Board says the system has been designed by Ugandans and it has already generated revenue in the 2 areas where it is operational. It will be rolled out to other 25 local governments.
The system has already collected over R1 billion shillings in a period of 3 months in the 2 locations where it is full operation. So if it goes to the 10 to the 20, then you are going to see much more money.
Patrick Senyondo, NTV.